It's time to pick your financial agents. At Texan Wills and Trusts, we use the term financial agent to refer to multiple roles across your estate planning documents. And this is intentional. It's a good idea to have the same person in each of these roles so that you don't have conflict over who's managing different types of assets. Your financial agent is the trustee of your trust, the executor of your will, and your financial power of attorney agent. The trustee of your trust manages any assets that are in your trust while you're alive and makes the distributions you've requested upon your passing. The executor of your will, if necessary, files your will with the probate court, gets authority from a judge to move your assets from your probate estate over to your trust. This is only necessary if there are assets that were not connected to your trust before you passed away. The financial power of attorney manages your money for you while you're alive but incapacitated. And they do things like pay your bills and sign tax returns for you. In choosing an agent, it's important to choose somebody that is trustworthy. You don't want to choose somebody who's going to steal your money from you. You also want to choose somebody that's available. If they're extremely busy and they wouldn't have time to help you out, that creates an issue. They need to have some degree of financial savvy. They need to be able to manage the types of assets that you own and be competent doing that. You don't have to have a full blown certified financial planner in that role if you have very simple assets, but if you have really complicated investments, that may be beneficial. In some instances, people will choose to use a bank as a corporate trustee, and that comes up most often when there are really complicated investments or there's beneficiaries like your children don't get along and create issues. A trustee through a bank can be a neutral third party and they can act as the bad guy rather than somebody else in your family. But for many families, the choice here is typically made to have your adult children serve in this role. Or if your children aren't adults yet, use your siblings, people that you would trust, they're available, and they'd be able to manage your finances.